morning, students. Today we'll take lesson hydrogen. We were studying the previous class, and today also I will tell you about the industrial preparation of hydrogen. In the last class, I have told you about the laboratory as well as uh, some preparation of hydrogen by the help of electrolysis. But today we will take the industrial production of hydrogen, how hydrogen is prepared in the industries. So the preparation of hydrogen in the industries is completed in 3 steps, and this whole process of the preparation of hydrogen, that is called Bosch process. And in this process, in step 1, what do we do? The production of water gas takes place, and actually water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. So this carbon, when reacts with the steam, that is water H2O, and at very high temperature to produce water gas, that is CO plus H2, which is a mixture of water gas. It is also called syngas. And this process of conversion of a reaction of carbon with the steam to produce water gas is called coal gasification also. And in step 2, what happens? The conversion of carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide takes place. So carbon monoxide, which I have prepared in the first step, now it is converted into carbon dioxide. How? So this conversion of carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide, this step is like carbon monoxide when reacts with hydrogen as well as water in the presence of iron chromate as a catalyst, then it produces carbon dioxide, that is CO2, water, H2O, and a large amount of heat is produced. So this whole reaction of completing, that is carbon monoxide, reaction of carbon monoxide with hydrogen as well as water in the presence of iron chromate to produce carbon dioxide, that is conversion of carbon dioxide from carbon monoxide as well as formation of water and heat. This whole reaction is called water gas shift reaction, that is WGSR. W for water, G for gas, S for shift, and R for reaction. So this is the second step. And in third step, what happens? In the third step, the separation of hydrogen from the mixture takes place. Means from the mixture of carbon dioxide and water, as the hydrogen is separated, and this mixture is passed through water under pressure. So what happens when the mixture is passed through water under pressure? The CO2 dissolves in water and hydrogen is collected in the cylinders. So this is the third step of that is separation of the mixture of carbon dioxide and water to convert it into hydrogen gas. And this is the 3 steps in which the Bosch process completes, and this is only called the industrial preparation of hydrogen. In the first step, again I want to repeat, there is a production of the water gas, that is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen, and this process is called coal gasification. And in step 2, there will be conversion of carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide is formed in the first step. Now it is converted into carbon dioxide, and this whole reaction is called water gas shift reaction, that is WGSR. And in the third step, there will be separation of hydrogen from the mixture. The hydrogen from the mixture is mixture of carbon dioxide and water. From here the hydrogen gas is separated, and this separation especially done by dissolving the mixture through the water under pressure. So what happens, this when the mixture is passed through the water under pressure, the CO2 dissolves in water and hydrogen is collected in the cylinders. So these are the 3 steps in which the preparation of industrial preparation of hydrogen takes place, and this process is called Bosch process. Now we will study about the physical properties of hydrogen as well as the chemical properties. So what are the physical properties of hydrogen? The first main physical property is hydrogen is colorless, means it doesn't have any color, odorless, it doesn't have any odor, as well as it is tasteless gas, and non-poisonous gas, means it is not poisonous gas we can say, And second main property of hydrogen is insoluble in water. And the third one is it is the lightest gas on the earth. So these are, because hydrogen is the lightest element also, so that's why it is the lightest gas, we can say, because it always exists in the gaseous form. So these are the three properties of hydrogen, physical properties. Now we'll take the chemical properties of hydrogen. So hydrogen is neutral gas. Neutral gas means neither acidic nor basic. So means neither acidic means nor basic means it does not have any reaction with the litmus paper. You all know that acid जो लिटमस पेपर होते हैं दो प्रकार के होते हैं, रेड एंड ब्लू लिटमस पेपर. So litmus paper is used to check whether that particular gas or the particular solution is acid or base. So it is a neutral gas, so it doesn't have any effect on the litmus paper. And second main properties, chemical properties, it is a combustible gas but non-supporter of combustion. So combustible in nature, it is highly explosive gas, we can say, and highly inflammable also. That's why this hydrogen gas when combines with the air, oxygen, it forms steam, that is H2O, and heat is produced in a large amount. And this hydrogen, water, that is steam which is formed here, is now condensed and then it is converted into the liquid water or liquid that is the liquid form. So these are the three chemical properties of the hydrogen. And I want to tell you about the test, how to test whether this gas is a hydrogen or not. So there is a test. So what we have to do in this for the test of hydrogen, we have to bring the splinter near the hydrogen gas, where the gas is there in the jar or anywhere. So when we bring the splinter near it, what happens? It burns with a pop sound. Means it is a hydrogen gas, and it is highly exothermic in nature. Exothermic means it produces a large amount of heat, as well as it is explosive in nature, and that's why it causes severe damage to the life, injuries, and it also causes damage also to the life and property. So these are the different properties as well as test for the hydrogen gas. In the next class I will tell you about how the hydrogen react with other elements and what are the different products which are formed by the reaction of hydrogen with the other elements. Thank you.